Hey guys, welcome to MadTech. Today we'll be learning how to fix Google Maps not working, and now let's dive right in. Now to fix Google Maps not working on your phone, guys, first we'll be required to go through a few steps and proceed to the fix. So guys, in order to proceed, first open up your Play Store on your Google Maps and check for an update for the Google Maps. Either your Google Maps on your phone requires an update or not. So open up your Play Store on your phone first and search for Google Maps on this interface. To do that, at the bottom right corner of the screen, tap on the search, and again at the top of the screen there's a search bar. Tap on it and search for Google Maps over here, and you can see the Google Maps option over here. Tap on it, and currently there is the open up button available for me, guys, but in your case, if there was an update available for you, make sure to update your Google Maps application. And that was the step one. After updating your Google Maps on your phone, check either your net connection or Wi-Fi is strong or not. Maybe that's what's causing the Google Maps to lag on your phone. And after making sure your network connection, either Wi-Fi or your mobile data, is strong, again reopen your Google Maps application and check it either it's working or not. And the third way is, guys, open up the settings on your phone, and after opening your settings, scroll down and you can see the app setting over here. Tap on apps and tap on the app management at the top of the screen, and over here let's wait it for to load. And after it loads, guys, search for the Google Maps application over here and open the Maps application and tap on the storage usage option over here. And over here we can see there is a cache of memory available for us of the Google Maps. Try clearing your cache of the Google Maps, and after clearing your cache, reopen your Google Maps application on your phone. Maybe that will fix your lagging problem or not working problem. And after you have tried all of these, guys, if the Google Maps application is still not working, you can, or you'll be required to reinstall the Google Maps application on your phone. To do that, open up the Play Store on your phone again and search for Google Maps over here. And on this interface you can see the uninstall button. Tap on the uninstall button, and when the Google Maps is uninstalled from your phone, try to reinstall your Google Maps on your phone again, and that will fix all of the bugs which were causing Google Maps not to work. And with that being said, guys, this is how to fix Google Maps not working. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.